back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to steam abalone mushrooms with ginger. Hope you like it. Abalone mushrooms are rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals, and have the effects of enhancing immunity, promoting digestion, and antioxidation. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: abalone mushrooms, ginger, coriander. Chopped ginger. Seasoning sauce: 1 teaspoon vegan oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sesame oil. Mix evenly. This soy sauce is the key to the deliciousness of this dish. You can smell the fragrance now. Wash and chopped coriander. Coriander, this green herb, adds a vivid flavor to dishes with its unique aroma and fresh taste. Whether it is sprinkled on hot soup or mixed into cold dishes, coriander can always enrich the taste of food with its unique charm, making it memorable. Abalone mushroom, wash and squeeze dry. Place on plate. Place seasonings, sauce on abalone mushrooms. This dish is half done. Just put it in the steamer and steam it. Steam at 110 degrees for approximately 10 minutes. Abalone mushroom is cooked. Garnish with mouthful of coriander, and this dish is ready to be served. Steamed abalone mushroom with ginger, oyster sauce, and sesame oil is a delicious dish with good color, aroma, and taste. The spicy ginger and the delicious oyster sauce blend together to bring a deep taste layer to the abalone mushroom. The aroma of sesame oil is slowly released in the steam, penetrating into every cell of the abalone mushroom, making it more tender and juicy. The abalone mushroom itself has a smooth texture, and after absorbing the essence of these seasonings, it is even more delicious. This dish not only satisfies the taste buds, but is also a feast for the eyes and nose, which is praised by everyone. Ginger, a good companion of time, is like a warm sunshine to the elderly. It can promote blood circulation and relieve the common cold limbs of the elderly. The active ingredients in ginger have anti-inflammatory effects, which can help relieve joint pain and make the elderly walk more lightly. It can also stimulate the digestive system and improve the appetite and digestive function of the elderly. The antioxidant properties of ginger help resist the erosion of time and protect the elderly's body from free radical damage. On cold winter days, a cup of warm ginger tea is a thoughtful choice for the elderly to drive away the cold and warm up. The taste of abalone mushroom is mild and delicious, with a hint of ocean flavor, as if it is a gift from the sea. Its meat is thick and tender, and it releases rich juice when chewing, which is endless aftertaste. Whether it is stir-fried, stewed, or grilled, abalone mushroom can become the highlight of the table with its unique flavor. Abalone mushroom is an edible mushroom with extremely high nutritional value. It is rich in high-quality protein and provides essential amino acids for the human body. This mushroom is rich in B vitamins, which helps maintain the health of the nervous system and energy metabolism. Minerals in abalone mushrooms, such as potassium and selenium, have a positive effect on heart function and antioxidation. It also contains dietary fiber, which can promote intestinal peristalsis, help digestion, and prevent constipation. In addition, the low-fat and low-calorie characteristics of abalone mushrooms make it a preferred ingredient for healthy diet and weight management. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist, yeah. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. Steaming abalone mushrooms is a healthy cooking method that preserves the original flavor of the ingredients. It can maximize the nutritional value of abalone mushrooms. The natural freshness of abalone mushrooms is perfectly presented through the gentle wrapping of steam, and its authentic flavor can be tasted without too much seasoning. During the steaming process, the fiber of abalone mushrooms becomes softer and easier to digest and absorb, which is especially suitable for people with a weak digestive system. This low-fat and low-calorie cooking method helps to control the energy intake in the diet and is an ideal choice for diners who pursue a healthy lifestyle. In addition, steaming abalone mushrooms can avoid the generation of all smoke, bring freshness to the kitchen environment, and also reduce the harmful substances that may be produced during the cooking process. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.